Question 8. Use factorization to solve the equation. This is a quadratic equation with 3 terms. So 3 terms for quadratic, we can do this cross method, okay? 3p squared we'll put here, positive p we'll put at one side, negative 10 we'll put here. Alright, for this method, we will think of the factors, okay? What times what give you 3p squared? So I can break it down into 3p times p give me 3p squared. What times what give me negative 10? Alright, so maybe I can break it down into 2 and 5, okay? Or I can break it down into, okay, 5 and 2, okay? If 2 and 5 doesn't work, then switch it to 5 and 2 later, okay? But because I can see it, I know that 5 and 2 will work better, okay? Now, there's also a negative sign, so you have to decide, okay, negative sign give to 5 or give to 2, okay? In this case, you should give to 5. Okay, why? So that later, when you cross multiply, 3p times 2, you get 6p. P times negative 5, you get minus 5p. And make sure, okay, the minus 5p plus 6p, it must be a positive p. It must fulfill this part. If it fulfill, means you are on the right track. If it doesn't, you know, like this number and this number, when you plus, it doesn't give you p, it means you have to try again. Alright? Okay, so how do we get the answers? 3p squared plus p minus 10. Okay, you take this, okay, which is 3p minus 5. And you also take this, okay? When there's no sign between the p and 2, it's a positive sign. So it's p plus 2. Alright? So, currently you have this. Now, they say equal to 0. Okay, so let me just put this as equal to 0. And then let me switch the 0 to be here. Alright, now I fully factorized, I can split out, right? I can split out to become 3p minus 5 equals to 0, or p plus 2 equals to 0. So I move over the negative 5, become positive 5, and then now I divide by 3. Okay, the other one, I move over the positive 2, I get negative 2. So my two answers will be 5 over 3, 5 over 3, and also a negative 2. You can also use calculator to do a check for your answers. However, to get the mark, you really have to show them, you know, how do you factorize. You need to show them this part, as well as your answers. Okay, how you derive the answers. Okay, the workings.